Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's design, I've chosen as a base the Adored Colors Polish of the Month. This one is called Adventure, and it's a light green base filled with silver bar glitters, matte magenta dots, neon glitter mix, and coral and snow white hexes. I applied 3 thin coats. To stamp, I thought we could use this Guerra de Pinceles stamping plate. It's from H. La Cosedora, a Colombian brand. Her stamping plates are acrylic and they are jam-packed with beautiful designs, as you can see. They always recommend that you clean them with non-acetone nail polish remover to protect the stamping plate. Let's pick out a few images. I'll use my black H. La Cosedora stamping polish. This one is called Black Friday. I want to start with this little alien. Since it's at the edge of the plate, I'm going to flip the plate over so it's easier to pick it up. We begin by covering the entire image with the black polish, then quickly scraping from as far away from the image as possible. And pick up the image by rolling the stamper gently over it. And there we have our cute little alien. I want to get this cute little cat, so we'll follow the same steps. Apply the polish quickly over the image in as little strokes as possible. Scrape from far away and roll the stamper over the image. And there we have our cute little design. Since there are other images on the stamper, I'm going to go ahead and use a piece of tape to remove those. That butterfly is actually really cute too. Oh no! You always have to be careful when getting the tape close to the image because obviously you don't want to pick up the image you're trying to use. So let's do that one again. I'll use a cotton ball with nail polish remover to wipe off the polish. I'll clean this one too. And I'll clean my scraper card as well. I will try it again. Cover the image completely. Scrape and pick up the image. I will try that again, carefully getting the ones around the image without touching our design. If you're enjoying this video, click the thumbs up and share a comment to let me know. That really helps out my channel. And there we have it. Let's pick up the little spaceship. This stamper is a little bit more firm, so that's why the lines come out that way they do. I'll try again, but pressing the stamper a little bit more firmly onto the image. I may have scraped a little bit too hard and part of the polish came out. That's why it's not picking up properly. Let's try it again. Still too hard. Let's try it again. I'm also going to try turning the stamping plate to make it a little bit easier to scrape. This one's a little bit better, but it's still not complete, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and switch stampers. There we go. I also want to get this cute astronaut. So cute. And now the part that I enjoy the most is filling in each image with different colors. I'll start with this green one. It's called Kryptonite. Let's use Bali for the star. We'll also do the belt. Let's use this beautiful purple called Violeta Fuerza. Our 4 designs are filled in, and now we just have to wait for the polish to dry before we can stamp it directly onto our nails. After adding a few little accents, this is what we're left with, and I really like the way it turned out. Now it's time to apply a top coat. I'm going to go with a matte finish so that the images really pop. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!